They had these in all different colors. They had these small cups like this. They also have the large ones that you could use as well. And since they're that blue plastic, it's going to make it glow nice and blue. And you're going to get that fun little tiki face in there. It reminds me of Hawaii. And I thought we would try something different to cover the sides of the solar light because we've used rope a lot. So let's try using one of these like little spring purses from the Dollar Tree. I think this always gives me like a nice like seagrass look. Kind of what I was going for on this one was kind of like a little bit of a grass skirt vibe, but on a very small scale to kind of cover up the top parts of the solar light. So I'm just cutting around just to cut strips out of this. And I think that's going to work really fun. It's going to go with the theme of this, like the little Luau Tiki theme. So I'm going to use one piece to cover with the screw part of where I took the lid off this little cup. And they had these in all different colors. It'd be cute if you lined these up, different colors, or these would look really cute if you strung them up as well. I'm just going to try to do some party table decor for these. Now I'm going to use that same little purse from the Dollar Tree and cover the sides of the solar light as well. It is going to take a couple strips to go all the way around. And definitely disguises that. It makes it look more intentional with like that grass skirt vibe. It's going to go more with the theme. I did kind of want to cover it all the way. So I'm going to do a third row, just kind of overlapping them as I go. And I think that looks pretty cool. So we're just going to pop that off, the little solar stake. And again, we're just going to attach it to the top. But I don't want it to fall over because it's just plastic again. And so I'm just going to put some white pebbles in the bottom, just something to weigh it down, but not something that you're really going to be able to see from the outside. I don't want to take away from that cool pattern. And this one looks so cool when you light it up at night because it gives you that fun tiki pattern in the light pattern when you light it up. So I just attached that with hot glue. And I think that little purse worked great to cover the top of it. This is how our little tiki cup looks during the daytime. Still super cute and really themed. See how it kind of gives you that face glow pattern like all over the place? So very detailed, and it's so bright at night with the solar light inside, and this would definitely be perfect for a night themed tiki party.